There's a place on the Adirondack coast where creativity thrives, imagination takes flight, and the arts come alive. Welcome to the Strand Center for the Arts, a vibrant hub in the heart of Downtown Plattsburgh. From live performances and music to painting classes and community events, we offer a haven for expression, classes to hone skills, and a community that believes in the power of the arts. Thanks to our donors, volunteers, and sponsors, we're making waves in our community. Join us in our mission to create a world where imaginations are set free and creativity knows no bounds. Together, we can make a difference. The Strand Center for the Arts. Unleash the artist within.